equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. You will also need a soft cloth for cleaning and some isopropyl alcohol for any stubborn residue. Start by unplugging your Thermomix TM31 from the power source. Safety first. Next, remove the 4 screws located at the back of the unit using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the back cover off. Be careful not to force it, as there are clips that may still be holding it in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any remaining screws. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to clean the interior with a soft cloth and some isopropyl alcohol. This will help prevent any dust or debris from interfering with your repair. If you feel this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, locate the screen plate. It is usually secured with a few screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Keep track of them, as you will need them to reassemble the unit. Once the screws are out, gently lift the screen plate away from the main body. Be cautious of any cables connected to the screen. You don't want to damage them. If you notice any dirt or grime on the connectors, clean them gently with a soft cloth. Next, inspect the screen for any visible damage. If the screen is cracked or not functioning properly, it may need to be replaced. You can find replacement screens online or through local suppliers. If you prefer, we can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved. If the screen appears fine, check the connections. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause display issues. Reconnect any loose cables securely. Once everything is checked and cleaned, it's time to reassemble the unit. Place the screen plate back in position and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is aligned correctly before tightening the screws. Now, replace the back cover of the Thermomix TM31. Ensure all clips are engaged and secure it with the 4 screws. Finally, plug the unit back in and power it on. Check to see if the screen is functioning correctly. If you still encounter issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, we offer no calls, no travel, making it easy for you to get the help you need. And that's it. You've successfully repaired the screen plate of your Thermomix TM31. Enjoy your cooking. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.